Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 30th October 2025, Nifty Index opened positive and stretched strength towards 26,100 levels, which was followed by a minor rubber from the highs towards the end of the session. The overall narrative for Nifty remains resilient with any minor dips being bought into, and it closed with gains of around 120 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has been making higher highs from the last 3 trading sessions. Now, India VIX was up marginally by 0.17% to 11.97 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.14. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,600 to 26,400 marks, while immediate range could be in between 25,800 to 26,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,335 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,582 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 18.9%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,950 for the next up move towards 26,350 zones, while support can be seen at 25,800 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,000 for the next up move towards a new lifetime high territory towards 58,750 levels, while on the downside support can be seen at 58,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in VBL, Hind Petro, BHEL, Inox Wind, Vedanta and Tata Steel, while some weakness could be seen in CAMS, HDFC, AMC, TVS Motor, HAL, Bajaj Finance and Mascot Dog. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.